let's see what's on the CD here.
Are you sick of being lonely?
Breaking news, and this just said. People don't know the herbs is where the life is at. If you suffer from dry locks and you tired of the mayhem, make sure you stay tuned so I can show you how to keep those puppies wet. I mean moisturized. Ooh, yes, I'ma be living that good, yeah. What's up, Locked Up Gang? It's your girl, Lick Locked Up, coming to you live, inside a TV screen. What are they doing on this channel? Yes, your girl is back with some hot, fresh content. We're going to talk about how to hydrate those locks, how to properly deep condition those locks. Yes, and I ain't talking about with no product like this. Y'all used to use that? We don't do that no more. We talking about the proper way, okay? So if y'all want to know how to properly hydrate your locks, make sure you go ahead and press that subscribe button so that you can see videos. Because that's what we do here. Consistency. All right, I love y'all. See you in the next video.
Herbs have been used for centuries for their medicinal, culinary, and aromatic properties. These herbs are a treasure trove packed with health benefits that you can find in your food, essential oils, teas, and even your skincare products.
Woo! Now that was a lot of information. Now tell me what these ingredients is gonna do. Can you give me the tea, please?
I'm glad you asked, Simma. First ingredient we have here is nettle, also known as Urtica diaca. Nettle is most known for its ability to combat hair loss. Nettle is rich in essential nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and D, also containing iron and silica. These nutrients nourish the hair follicle, stimulates hair growth, and help prevent hair thinning and baldness. Nettle also possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties. It can soothe an irritated scalp and give you relief like no other, so obviously you get added to the mix. Can you handle that? Horsetail, also known as Equisetum arvis, is an ancient plant that has been used for various health purposes throughout history. Horsetail is packed with antioxidants and other essential nutrients, such as vitamin C, flavonoids, and minerals like potassium and magnesium. Aside from those important nutrients, horsetail is also known for its rich silica content. Silica is a mineral that strengthens the hair strand and promotes hair growth. By using horsetail-infused hair products or incorporating horsetail extract into your routine, you can help nourish and fortify your hair from root to tip. So come on with the bang bang, y'all. And it helps remove environmental stresses from the hair, and we all need that, honey. Next we have lemongrass, y'all, which is one of my favorite things to add because not only is it great for your stomach and your drinks, but you could go ahead and put that into your hair care, and it has so many great benefits. The natural oils found in lemongrass have antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which can help combat dandruff, dry scalp, and scalp irritation, y'all. So, hello, we copying that. Thank you. In addition to its scalp benefits, lemongrass stimulates hair follicles and promotes hair growth. It's high in vitamins A and C, iron, and potassium. Next we got the amla. Ooh, the Indian gooseberry, berry. Okay, I'm just playing, y'all. Amla is a miraculous fruit that can work wonders for your hair. It strengthens hair follicles, promotes hair growth, prevents premature graying, reduces hair fall, and adds shine and luster. So come on, man. Can you see the benefits? Actually, amla has high levels of antioxidants that combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress on the scalp. This helps to prevent hair fall and promotes new hair growth. So we chang about to put it in the thing, okay? And if you are worried about trying to have all these ingredients, don't worry, baby. I got you covered. Come by mine. Go to the website. Peace.
So that looks like it wraps up our segment of Learn. Hope you learned something. Catch you next time. Rock on.
Alright, y'all. If y'all are interested in making this yourself, here is the recipe. Go ahead and pause the video and screenshot or you can follow along with me right about now. All right, y'all, so I hope y'all absorbed all that information. Let's get into the details of how you do this. Make sure you use distilled water. Distilled water is a must because that's going to stop from buildup and things like that in your hair. Y'all, understanding the importance of how to deep condition your hair without buildup is important. So make sure that you do your research and your due diligence on what you're putting on your hair and make sure that it's actually safe for your hair. Okay, y'all, safety first. Okay, y'all, so now that it's cool off, make sure it's cool, because if you don't cool it off, your bottle gonna be melted. Okay, so make sure it's cooled off. Go ahead and pour your liquid into a apparatus that you can use to put it on your hair. I used a squeeze bottle, you know, with that one, but you can use whatever you have. All right, y'all, so we got two products here. We got the tea rinse and we have an oil, okay? And we're going to put that onto our hair together. But don't I look cute, y'all? I'm just so cute and mellow today. I'm just playing, y'all. All right, but we have a steamer here that we're going to use. And yes, this is a steamer for clothes. Before you come for me, I know it is. I'm going to tell y'all why I use it. The steam distribution that I get off of this baby is like no other. And the reservoir holds so much more water, so I don't have to refill it over and over and over. Okay, y'all, so make sure y'all use distilled water. Again, I'm telling you, distilled water, it's going to change the game in your locks. You will start to see less stiffness, less breakage. I promise y'all, use distilled water. Okay, so we're going to fill that up into the machine, and then we're going to connect it back. Click. All right, and then you're going to go ahead and connect it back. Yes. And then you're going to go ahead and put the herbal tea rinse on your hair. So squeeze in the middle. All right, let me stop because Chips Ahoy going to demonetize my video. All right, but sorry. So you're just going to make sure you put the herbal rinse all over your hair and get it super saturated in there. Yes, squeeze it in there, get it nicely deep into those locks. Make sure you don't squeeze it and start dripping down your face, because baby, it did that to me several times. See, there it go. Whoop, there it is. I did forget to mention that this is freshly washed hair, everyone, so do this when your hair is clean. This is important because the hair shaft will be open and ready to receive all the nutrients from these herbs. Let me give y'all a pro tip. Maybe you should turn the machine on before you put this stuff on your head. Okay, because it does take some time to heat up, all right? I'm just showing y'all that it has a button there for it to lock. And you can go ahead and start steaming your hair. You want to make sure you keep it at a good distance from your head, because baby girl, you will burn your neck, okay, and your scalp, and you don't want to burn neither one of them things, because them things gonna be crying, okay, like Ryan. So make sure you keep it nice and safe. Sometimes you can also use a glove if you're really heat sensitive to hands, but I got them kitchen hands, so don't worry about that, baby. So then I'm taking the oil now, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my scalp. And we're gonna massage that scalp. I mean, get up in that brisane, like, yeah. Look at my face, y'all. I'm enjoying that. Look at my face. I'm just sunken into that thing. Yeah, there you go. Look. All right, so then we're gonna go ahead and take the rest of the oil and massage that down the hair to seal the hair in. And I'm just showing y'all the breakage, the little shedding that I had, and you know, some of my weak spots in my locks, so y'all could see. Also, y'all see my little Tony the Tiger little stripe thing going on? Oh my goodness, y'all, the color, we ain't even gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about it later. But yes, so make sure you stay beautiful, make sure you stay locked up, make sure you subscribe, and I will see y'all next Thursday. Bye. Quickest way to make me